Okay, so I showed you the box, but I didn't open the box. And I'm just as anxious to see what's in the box as you are. I was going to order this online through Northern Tool. That's where I got it. They were out of stock online. So I called my local store and they had them in stock. And thankfully they gave me the online sale price. And as you can see, it can be worked either way, either manually or with the air. Wow. I think that would want to lift up. There we go. Nothing happening there. Make sure the valve is closed, I guess, would help. Which it wasn't. Now it is. And you can see how it will work manually, like that. And open the valve. And you just push it back down. Now, some of these come with springs on them to pull it down. I don't need that because the weight of the lift is certainly going to push that down. Now, I'm not going to turn my air compressor back on. I got to change the fitting on the end. It's got a different fitting than what I have. Let me do that and I'll bring you right back and we'll try it out. Okay, I changed the fitting on there. Let me make sure I get the valve cranked in. I think I do. And let's see what happens. Ain't nothing happening. Double check that valve, make sure I get it turned in all the way. Not really impressed with this control rod here. I wonder if this has to be pushed down like that, maybe. Okay, I had to add a little bit of oil to the pump. It wasn't to the jack. It wasn't quite full. And I had to purge the air out of it several times before I could get it to work with the air. It always would work with the hand pump right from the start. But we got it working now, and I turned my air compressor off so it'll run without running the air compressor. See how it goes. Get the idea. It goes up a little bit higher than that. And I did make a modification. Get my hose hung up here. I did make a modification to the handle. The handle they give you is big around like this, and the other end of it is like this. and this is so big it was always falling off of the control valve. So I ground a couple holes, not a couple holes, a couple of slots in the smaller handle, and now it works just dandy. And of course, I'll have to wait to see how it works out when I put this down underneath on the lift, how to make that function come around the side. I may have to put like a universal joint on it or something. I have no idea. But there you have it, and I will be, like I said, we'll get into this project probably not till next week. But it should make it very nice. Then all I'll have to do is push the lever and it'll go up, and then I'll still have the foot pedal hooked up to work the release. And yeah, that'll be a good thing. So thanks for watching, and glad I remembered to open the box and take it out so you could see it. So what do you do if you don't have a valve spring tool for reinstalling the valve springs and the keepers on your Tecumseh motor? Well, what you do is you take your vintage Quadrajet fuel filter wrench and you modify it. It just so happens, watch this. Now hold on a second. Hold on, I'm running over to my bench. It just so happens that the valve spring keeper fits right in there like it was made for. Look at that. Perfect. The only modification I got to do, and this won't stop you from using it, Mr. Heavy Chevy, if you need one, you know, all you have to do is cut down the edges here. I'm looking at it upside down and backwards. All I have to do is cut this edge off here a little bit so that I can get it tighter against the side. Oh yeah, more than one way to skin a cat. I was going to buy one of these things. They're made out of a flat piece of steel, and then they get another little spring clip on this end, which I don't know what it's for. But I was going to buy one, and it was going to cost like $12. And I thought, what have I got that I can use to make it work? Well, I'm going to modify this, and I'll take you along when we put the valve springs in, and you'll see how well this puppy works. Yeah, well, I've been putzing around out here for a while, and you saw all the different things I've done, and I never turned the heat on today, and it's yeah, it's about 32 degrees. That's about the warmest it's been. Our outdoor temperature is only 24. It's always a little bit warmer in the garage for some reason, and a little bit cooler in the summer, which is a good thing. The walls are insulated, but not the ceiling. One of these days. Thanks for watching. Hope it's warmer where you are. Bye for now.